How you going, guys? Phil here at Aussie Garage, here speaking with Paul.
Paul Bullard, yep.
Yep, and tell us about your van, mate.
1980 Mark II Transit Custom, fuel injected 350 Chev, turbo 700, full custom 9-inch. Yeah, it's been built for about 20 years.
No drama. How long have you had the car for?
About 20 years.
Awesome.
Yep.
No, perfect. Perfect. So obviously you're part of West Coast Banners, of course.
Yes.
So how long have you been with the club?
Since we started the club last year, been involved in vanning and panel vans since 1980. Been to many Australian van nationals and over the years, yeah.
Yeah, no drama. So have you got any other new events coming up? We're at Big Boys Toys, obviously. Have you got any other events coming up shortly?
Yeah, we've got the state panel van titles coming up in first weekend of April with part of Max Pinjarra. So hopefully we should get a lot of panel vans down there to make a good state titles.
Yeah, no drama. And got any advice for people that want to try and get into like vans or utes or things like that?
Yeah, don't hesitate to join clubs and all that sort of stuff, because we're not just for show cars. We like cruising and going to different events and supporting charities. Our main charity is Variety, so we do a lot for that.
Awesome. Okay, no drama. Well, look, thanks for chatting us at Aussie Garage, and we'll catch up with you around the traps and talk to you soon.
Yeah, not a problem. Thanks very much, Phil.
Thanks.